susubo ng malagkit ang atin pong grand entrance. Ang una po nating tatawagan, of course, our principal sponsors, lahat po ng mga ninong and ninang. Followed by the kids, followed by our secondary sponsors, lahat po ng mga abay na lalaki and babae. And then right after, of course, the proud parents of the groom and the proud parents of the bride, and of course, our newlywed. As requested po ng ating newlywed, as I call your name respectively, papunta po dito sa reception area, kailangan nyo pong sumayaw to the tune of a TikTok dance. That is just once in a lifetime, pagbigyan po natin ang ating newlywed. You may be part of another wedding entourage, but not of course in the same couple. Kaya pagbigyan po natin ang simpleng request ng ating newlywed. Damihan ang